morning, students. Hope you all are fine and fit at home. So, today I'll be teaching the second part of chemical reactions and equations, that is balancing part. Yesterday I had told you the basic rules and use your intelligence to balance reactions. So, today we will be practicing some reactions. Okay, so let's start. So let's start. Let us take examples. Today we will be practicing examples. But suppose when examples are given, you need to be very careful and check out what are the examples given. See, it is given Cu plus AgNO3 arrow CuNO3 whole 2. Very sorry. Okay, CuNO3 whole 2 plus Ag. This is a displacement reaction, right? Zoom out. Yeah, okay, fine. Are you able to see the paper now? Okay, fine. So see, what to do in this case, it will be, see Cu, as I had already told you, have to make some chart on the layers, LHS and the RHS. LHS, Cu is 1. Ag on the LHS is 1. Now see, NO3 on the LHS is 1. Cu1, NO3 is 2 and Ag is 1. This NO3 is 1 and this NO3 is 2. You can understand that you have to add a 2 over here, but while adding this 2 here, since it is again a compound, when we place something before it, it gets multiplied by both the elements present in the compound. So since it is AgNO3, so it will be multiplied by Ag. Ag is becoming 2, so we have to multiply one more 2 with Ag this side also. Clear? Okay, fine. This will be a balanced equation. Okay, why? We have to be very careful. See, why we are taking it as a whole, this NO2. Why are we taking this NO2 as a whole? Because they are both side there is a NO3. Okay, if you wish to take it as N is 1, O is 3, then it will become more complicated for you. You are taking it as 3, so that becomes very easy. If you have to take N is equal to 1, O is equal to 3, this side also N is equal to 2, O is equal to 6. Right, again you have to multiply these two. You can make some mistakes. While taking this NO2 as a whole, these mistakes were avoided. Right? Fine. Okay. Another thing that you need to be very careful while reading the question. Sometimes in your exams, the questions can come that is already balanced, and still it can be asked to balance it. Now you have to identify whether it is already balanced or it can be balanced. Okay, you have to be very careful which one is already balanced and which one can be balanced, because in the examination this type of questions generally come which are rebalanced or which are not rebalanced. Right? Okay, so let us take another example right in this time. NaOH plus CO2 gives NH2CO3 is sodium carbonate plus H2O. Fine, I'm again zooming in out. Fine. This is the question. So what you have to do is you have to do this CO2, right? Fine. Okay, so again I'm zooming. Now see, focus on the left hand side now. We'll move on to right hand side later. Na, left hand side is 1. Fine. O is 1, H is 1. Now you can ask, why aren't we taking OH as a compound? We are not taking OH as a compound because here on the reactant side OH is not at all present. Because on the reactant side OH is not present. If it would have been present, then I would have definitely taken it. Okay. Fine. Okay. And O is this. O is 1 here plus 2. Right, so O is total 3, so I can write instead of 1 plus 2, O is 3. Hydrogen is 1, carbon is also 1, right? Now moving on to the right hand side, Na2CO3 plus H2O. Fine. Na 2, C is 1, O is 4, H is 2. Very sorry. Yes. Right. Now compare this. Na1, Na2, Na3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2. Sodium is not balanced. First of all, sodium is not balanced. What will we do? We will put a 2 where? To balance, because sodium is only present here and here. So definitely we will put a 2 before this. Very sorry. Give me a minute. Oh. Anyways, so where do we need to put the 2? We need to put the 2 before sodium. Okay. We need to put the 2 before sodium hydroxide. So we are putting the 2 before this. Now, after putting this 2 before this, what happening? Into 2. O into 2. No, O will not multiply into 2. What for this step? O will become 4. How O will become 4? 2. This is also very unnecessary. You cannot write like this. It O 1 into 2 plus 2 is this. We are multiplying 1 into 2. That is, out of 4, we are multiplying 1 oxygen atom with 2 and adding the 2. This is taking 4. Clear? Hydrogen is also becoming 2 multiplied by 2. Done. Now coming to this side. Oh, this is becoming 2. Oxygen is already 4. Balanced. Hydrogen also become 2. Carbon is 1 on both sides. Thus, this is a balanced equation. So how are you balancing? You are making it as easy as to be done. We made this 2 multiplied with 1 of the oxygen atom and added the rest 2 oxygen atom to give 4 on both the sides. Okay. And we did not take OH as a compound because OH was not present this side. Another thing you could have asked, carbon dioxide why could not have taken? Yes, we could have taken carbon dioxide, but it would have been a bit complicated, as I told. Try to go for the safer means. Okay. If we would have taken carbon dioxide, then also another oxygen is here. What will we do with that? We cannot make carbon dioxide, right? That would have been a problem. Okay, we have plenty of examples today. Moving on to another example. Zoom. Yeah, okay, fine. Moving on to another example. Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O arrow gives us NaSO3. Zooming out. Okay, this cannot be zoomed out more than this. Anyways, just give me a minute, students. Okay, so we will do Na2CO3. This is a reaction I'm writing once again. Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus water that will give us NaSCO3. What is NaSCO3? Bicarbonate. Now I am zooming out. Is the reaction visible? Yes. Cool. Now see, again I am zooming in for the LHS and the RHS. LHS portion, see, Na 1, no, 2. CO3 is 1. CO3, why we are taking, it's better to take CO3 1, however you may not take also, that's no problem. Why I am taking CO3? Because CO3 is here also. Okay, but I will not take because you can get confused. Anyways, no issue. So carbon is having 2 atoms over this side. Oxygen is having 6 atoms on this side. 6, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Hydrogen is having 2 atoms on this side. LH is done. Moving on to RHS. Na is having 1, H is having 1, C is having 1, O is having 3. Now what will you do when H is having 1 atom on each? Here this atom is having 2, here is having 1. So one thing, C, Na is 2, needs to be multiplied by 2, hydrogen is 2, carbon is also 2, so these things to multiply by 2, oxygen is also 6, 3 into 2 is 6. This was a very easy, see, all the numbers that are on this side, multiplying all these numbers with 2 gives will give this. See, 1 into 2, sodium 2, carbon, hydrogen into 2, hydrogen is 2, carbon 1 into 2, carbon is 2, 3, oxygen is 3 into 2, 6. All are giving that number only. So the correct balancing equation will be, we will place a 2 before this. So into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which will give us Na2CO3 plus. This is a balanced equation. Okay, so this is how you balance an equation. Okay, I am doing this example so that you understand the topic's main part of this. Okay, now when you there are many reactions which even do not need balancing, already pre-balanced, as I have already told you. Okay, let us do another reaction. NH3 plus CO2. 1 minute. Fine. NH3 plus CO2 arrow NH2 CONH2 plus H2. This is a reaction. Zooming out, NH3 plus CO2, that is NH2CONH2 plus H2. This is a reaction, and reaction of formation of urea. It is a fertilizer. Okay, moving on. LHS. N1, hydrogen 3, carbon 1, oxygen 2. Right? Fine. RHS. N2, N is 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Hydrogen is how much? NH2, so 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 2 here, 2 here and 2 here, 6. Fine? Fine enough? Carbon. C. Carbon is how much? C. 1. 1 carbon. O. O is how much? 1. Sorry, not 1. O is 2. Another O is here. 1 plus 1, 2. So now comparing the LHS and RHS, 1, 3, 1, 2 and 2, 6, 1, 2. So hydrogen is 6, whereas hydrogen is here is only 3. So how to make that 3, 6? By multiplying 2. By multiplying 2. Similarly, the oxygen and carbon is balanced. What we need to balance is the nitrogen, hydrogen. So 2 and 6 is here, 1 and 3 is here. So what we need to do? It's very simple. You can understand by seeing. We need to multiply a 2 with this, and we need to multiply a 2 with this. We'll replace a 2 before this, and this will be a balanced equation, right? If you make a chart like this while you do balancing, it will become very easier for you to catch the concept, which number can be placed before which compound to make that a very big balanced equation. Okay, so you need to keep it in to check it out that which can be balanced easily. Okay, another and the last example for today, because the video is for more than 16 minutes, 15 minutes it has crossed. Okay, last example, NaHCO3. Oh, I have taken this one, sorry. NaHCO3, where I have taken this one. Yeah, fine. NaHCO3 plus H2SO4. Okay, fine. What will it form? Sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4, plus what will it form? H2, plus what again? Carbon dioxide is there. So this is the full reaction. Moving on, this is the LHS side. See what is there? Na1 H3, C is 1 and oxygen is 7. Oxygen is 7 here. 4 plus 3. LHS. Na is 2. S is only 1. Oxygen is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7, right? Oxygen is 7. Carbon is how much? Only 1. Carbon is 1. So now compare these LHS and RHS and see which is not balanced. Sodium is not balanced. Oh, I forgot the hydrogen part here, sorry. Hydrogen is only twice here. Okay, so see which one is not balanced. Hydrogen is not balanced. Carbon is perfect. Oxygen is perfect. Okay, here I mentioned sulfur. S is 1. Sulfur is also balanced. So what is not balanced is only hydrogen. Sorry, not only hydrogen. Sodium is also not balanced. So to balance sodium, we will multiply 2 with this. But again there is a but in between. We multiply this 2. We place a 2 here. This sodium is becoming 2. But what about this? Hydrogen will also become 3 into 2, 6. Right? Carbon will become 2 into 2. Oxygen will become 6 plus 4, 10. Let me write it. 10. That is 2 in. That means out of the 10, you are multiplying 3 with 2 and the rest is being added. This 4, 10. Okay. So 2 into 3 is 6 and plus 4 is 10. Sulfur is not getting multiplied, right? So everything is changed. The sodium has become balanced, but hydrogen has become 6. It is 2. What to do here? We will be adding another 3 with hydrogen to make it 6. So where is hydrogen? Here. So 3 is here. Oxygen again has become 3. Oxygen, it is becoming again 3. Oxygen was 4, 7. So 4 plus 3 is already 7 plus 2, 9. So here again oxygen is becoming 9. That means 1 into 3 plus 6. So hydrogen is oxygen becoming 9. Oxygen was here 10. Something balancing I think needs to be done, right? What we need to do? 3 is already here, but we cannot place this 3. Why will not place this 3? Because hydrogen needs to be stable. Okay, hydrogen was here 2 and hydrogen is here 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Cannot we bring 4 here? Can definitely bring 4 here. We can definitely bring the 4 here. Right? So this 3 into 2 will not do. It will do. We'll erase this. This is 2 into 2. say 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2 is 4, right? So here we'll also not do. What we'll do is 2 into 2. Got it, right? So erasing this 3 from here and putting here 2. Got it? So oxygen instead of 3 will be multiplied by 2. That will give us 8. That is giving us 8, right? So oxygen instead of becoming 10 here will become 8. So we need to now multiply and you need to get the balanced equation. Getting it? So oxygen will instead of becoming this will becoming this. So what we are placing here 1 under 2 to make this oxygen balanced. So we are making the carbon 2 because here is carbon 2. So now see oxygen becoming 4. This is 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 and here is 10. 10 was already present this side. Balanced. So we are placing a 2 before NaCO3 and we are placing a 2 before H2 and we are placing here 2. Today I showed you how to do while you are doing the calculation we are doing. So I have done everything in a chat form. So see, when you are writing or balancing, use this chart form so that you can be able to do it very easily. If you are trying to do it mentally, you might be wrong. That you are, which I just now explained, why we not put 3 here. You can put 3 here and do, but it will not match. Here it will come 9 and here it will come 10, right? 9 10 cannot match. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, right? So 2 into 2, 4 plus 6, 10. This is 4 plus 2 plus 4, 6. Fine enough. So this is after to balance the equations. Fine enough. Okay. Still, if you are facing any problem, just text me in Telegram. I'll definitely reply to you. And those who ask me for the notes of balancing, I'll tell there are no such notes for balancing. For balancing, you have to practice and read different books. You find reactions, you try to balance them. Okay, because no one can help you with giving notes in balancing because there are thousands, millions of reactions going on in this world, right? So any reaction can come and no notes will help you. The only the thing that will help is practice. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you'll enjoy the video, and if you enjoy the video, please share it among your friends so that your other friends can also get benefited. Okay, and please leave a comment so that I can understand whether you like the video or not, and please like the video if you enjoy the session. Okay, thank you so much. Stay at home, be safe.